Hadoop and IoT integration, managing sensor data. Introduction. Hadoop, a powerful big data processing framework, offers a solution to this problem by allowing organizations to seamlessly integrate their IoT data with Hadoop for efficient sensor data management. How does Hadoop enable IoT integration for managing sensor data? Hadoop provides a scalable and cost-effective platform for storing and processing large volumes of data generated by IoT sensors. By integrating IoT data with Hadoop, organizations can leverage the platform's distributed storage and processing capabilities to efficiently manage sensor data from various sources. What are the benefits of using Hadoop for IoT sensor data management? Scalability, distributed computing, fault tolerance, cost-effectiveness, flexibility, data processing ecosystem. Advanced analytics. Hadoop provides powerful tools for analyzing sensor data, allowing organizations to gain valuable insights and make informed decisions. Real-time processing. Hadoop's real-time processing capabilities enable businesses to quickly analyze and act on sensor data as it is generated. Integration with existing systems. Hadoop can seamlessly integrate with existing IT infrastructure, making it easier for organizations to incorporate IoT data into their existing workflows. How can businesses leverage Hadoop and IoT integration for sensor data analytics? By integrating Hadoop with IoT data, businesses can unlock new opportunities for sensor data analytics. For example, organizations can use Hadoop to analyze historical sensor data trends and predict future outcomes. Conclusion. In conclusion, the integration of Hadoop with IoT sensor data management offers businesses a powerful solution for managing and analyzing the vast amount of data generated by IoT devices.